Hey guys, it's Adele and welcome back to the channel. This week's video is how to make stickers, and the things to make them are all probably in your house right now. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the things you'll be needing are parchment paper. It doesn't matter what color. This one is this kind of like brown color, but it doesn't matter what color. It can be clear, this color, any color, it doesn't matter. Of course, scissors and some packing tape. Regular tape should work, but if you want to make bigger stickers, I would recommend packing tape. And then of course your images, which you can find on Google. So you can put these stickers on literally everything. Well, I wouldn't say everything, but you can put them on phone cases, iPads, computers, and off-brand hydro flasks. But these are just the things that I'm probably going to decorate the stickers with. So first, create a new blank document on Pages. Then click Media on the bar above it and it should drop down with options. Click Choose. Then open up your images you want to use. Size them to how big or small you want your stickers to be. And print them babies out. Once you cut them out, make sure you cut them around the gray line. If it doesn't have one, cut around, creating a white border. Roll out some parchment paper and cut a piece of tape and place the sticky part down onto it. Place your image on top, then place another piece of tape around the same size on top of it. Then cut them out, leaving a thick border around it, and repeat. Peel the paper off and place your stickers on whatever you choose. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you have some really cute things now with stickers on it. And if you want more tutorials and stuff like this, leave a like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.